Alright everybody, just going to try this again. This is the Eastwood rolling shop tray. I've been wanting a good shop tray since I cleaned up the shop, got my new toolbox, which I'm going to do a tour on. I love the adjustability of this one. Everybody loved the strength of this one. Everybody bitched about the casters. So one guy complained, he cut this, bent it up, tightened the caster, bent it back down, and welded it back together and bitched about it. I would have just drilled the hole a little bit bigger and put an extension through it myself. But that being said, there's not much room to move in here. They could have ran the stud a little bit longer and ran it all the way through, but they didn't. But it is what it is. So let's see how it goes for me. I might be in the same boat and be bitching about it by the time I got done. But, you know, I am. It's still going to be a nice one once it's assembled. Okay, I don't think there's enough room for the ratchet. Nope, that's what they complained about. But there is for this. So, you just got to hold that steady while you tighten it. And it's just so thin right there. It's going to be hard to get pliers or channel locks or crescent or anything in there. It's going to have to be real thin. And this is pretty darn close. Almost use a little bit of a spacer. And I mean, this is everybody's main complaint with this part. And I can see why. It could have been a little bit better design. It wasn't when you bought it, but I don't think it's quite as bad as everybody made it to be. Now, to me, it wasn't that bad. So, I guess it's just, you know, thinking outside the box. Take your time. It helped that I watched their reviews. I knew this is the one I wanted, but I knew what I was getting into. Maybe they didn't watch anyone else's reviews. And they went into it, you know, not thinking it was going to be what it was going to be. So, I expected it. It's no more difficult than what I expected. Actually, I was expecting a lot worse. So it's a lot easier to me than what I was originally expecting. Do that. I said, I know I had it before I started. Apparently it walked off. Yeah. Yeah, it's a lot better than I was expecting. Because I went into it positive, because I watched their videos, like I said, and nothing against them, but I watched their videos and watched them struggling with it. I just didn't think it was that bad. I think they let their frustration make it a lot worse on them than what it could have been. I agree with them. It should have been a little bit better design, but not quite as bad as what they made it to be. The hard part's done. See here, taking up it goes here. Here. There. Let's see. I don't know why everyone was so big on the casket. Adjuster. Here up and down. Hoping you can see that. Alright. This is how you adjust it up and down. For your tray. Locks it in and unlocks it. There we go. There. And you got this pin to keep it from twisting. When you store it, you can turn it sideways. I might even add extra pin drills through there so I can angle it. I'll put my laptop on it or something. Here's your tray. Yeah. Here's your screws on them. They're recessed on the inside, so they will set flush. And washers on the bottom side. Yeah, lock nuts. Then you'll have this mat to go on top. That's going to be it. I know I got a call about to come in, so my phone's about to die on me. But that's it. Under 11 minutes. Under 12 minutes, start to finish.